Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Math Makes World once again. Today we will discuss some more problems based on linear differential equations. Now we are having dy by dx plus 4x by 1 plus x square into y equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So we know the LDA form. This is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, which is step 1, where we know the value of p is 4x by 1 plus x square and q is 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Now we'll go to the second step, which is to find the integrating factor, which will be e power integral p dx. So we can write e power integral 4x by 1 plus x square dx. So the denominator is 1 plus x square. For 1 the derivative will be 0 and for x square derivative will be 2x. So in the numerator we can change it to integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx e power 2. So this can be written as integral f dash by f of x dx can be written as log f of x. So this is in the form m log a, which gives log a power n. So this can be written as 1 plus x square whole square. So now we go to the third step, general solution, which gives y into integrating factor equal to integral q if dx. So y into if nothing but 1 plus x square whole square equal to integral q nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into again if 1 plus x square whole square dx. So these two terms will get cancelled for us. So y into 1 plus x square whole square equal to integral 1 dx. We know the integral 1 value will be x plus c, which will be the general solution of the given problem. Here we have one more problem, x log x dy by dx plus y equal to 2 log x. First we have to convert this in the form of dy by dx. So dividing with x log x. So we will get dy by dx plus 1 by x log x into y equal to 2 log x by x log x. So it will be, so here log x will get cancelled and we will have dy by dx plus 1 by x log x y equal to 2 by x, which is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. So this will be p and this will be q. Now we will find out the second step, which is integrating factor e power integral p dx. So gives you integral 1 by x log x dx. So this can also be written as e power integral 1 by x by log x. So here we are having the denominator derivative in the numerator. Again this is in the form of f dash of x by f of x form. So e power log f of x. Here f of x will be log x. This is f and this is f dash. So we can write log of log x. So which will be basic. So it gives you log x. Third step, general solution. So for this we have the formula yif equal to integral qif dx y, if nothing but here log x, integral q nothing but 2 by x, again if will be log x. So we can write y log x equal to 2 integral 1 by x log x. For this we will do the substitution process. So only for this part So put log x equal to t, we get 1 by x dx equal to dt. So for this one, so we can write y log x equal to 2 integral log x will be t, dx into 1 by x will be dt. 2 t square by 2 plus 6. So 2 will get cancelled. Y log x equal to log x whole square plus c. Or else without substitution method we can also apply integral f of x whole power n into f dash of x, which gives you f of x whole power n plus 1. So the formula will be f of x whole power n into f dash of x dx, which gives you f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 2. So here f nothing but log x and f dash nothing but 1 by x. We will get log x power 1, it will be log x whole square by 2 will get directly without the substitution also. We will solve this problem by using this formula. Here we have one more problem. So first we will convert this one in the form of dy by dx form. So dividing it throughout by 1 plus x square. So dy by dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square into y equal to e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. So now in this is a p and this is a q. Integrating factor will be e power integral p dx. E power integral p nothing but here 1 by 1 plus x square. We know the integral 1 by 1 plus x square value will be tan inverse x. Now we will go through the general solution. So which is y into integrating factor e power tan inverse x equal to integral q into. So here I am substituting q value e power tan inverse x 1 plus x square into if. If again we are having e power tan inverse x dx. So now we take tan inverse x equal to t here. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square dx will be equal to dt. So this one can be converted in the form of e power tan inverse x equal to, this is again e power t. So this is again e power t. 1 by 1 plus x square dx combinedly gives us dt. Y e power tan inverse x equal to integral e power t into e power t will get e power 2t. So which gives us e power 2t by 2. Now replace t value in tan inverse x. 1 by 2 e power 2 tan inverse x plus, which gives the general solution of the given LDE. Here another problem dy by dx plus y tan x equal to secant x. So it is in the form of LDA form only. So we can write this one as a p and this one as a q. Now this second step, that means we will find out the integrating factor e power integral p dx, which gives us e power integral tan x dx. Integral tan x will be log modulus secant x. So which gives you again secant x. So now we will find the general solution. Y integral factor, y into integral factor will be secant x. Integral q into, q will be sin x. if nothing but secant x. So this can be written as sin x secant x. We can write 1 by cos x dx. So again this can be written as a tan x dx. So y secant x equal to log mod secant x plus tan c, which is very easy problem. Now we will discuss the second form of LDA form, that is dx by dy plus px equal to q. So here we are having x plus y dy by dx equal to 1. Just convert dy by dx value. For this one, x plus y in the denominator, so we can't separate the denominator as x terms and y terms. So we are going to replace this one. That means we are going to reverse this ratio dx by dy equal to x plus y. So now we can separate x and y terms. In dx by dy, take x left side and bring. So this is in the form dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. So whereas p of y will be minus 1 and q of y will be y. So second step, finding the integrating factor e power integral p dy, because p of y we are saying integral minus 1 dy. So integral of minus 1 will give us minus y. So we'll see the general solution. So general solution will be x into integral factor equal to integral q into integral factor dy. So x into if will be e power minus y, integral q will be y, again if will be e power minus y. If you see this is in Euler method. So in Euler, first we will get algebra function, afterwards we will get figure, afterwards we will get exponential function. So first write the e power minus, first write the y and afterwards e power minus. For y derivative will be what? For e power minus y by minus. So just cross multiply, minus y e power minus y minus integral e power minus y by minus 1 dy. So which gives us minus y e power minus y minus minus plus integral e power minus y dy. X e power minus y equal to minus y e power minus y minus e power minus y plus, or else we can write e power minus y into x plus y plus 1 equal to. From this, we can directly derive that function. So first term, we will write the term as it is. For second one, we will write that means it is here integral g. Second term, we will write di. Di method we are going to apply here. For e power minus y, integral will be e power minus e power minus. For y, derivative will be 1. For this one, e power minus 1. Minus minus will give you plus. So this is plus, this is minus. After one, derivative will be whatever the derivative, that will be 0. So no need to find the integral value after the second term, because 0 into anything you will give 0. So if you say this one, minus y e power minus 5 minus e power minus 5. This is the final answer. Minus y e power minus 5 minus e power minus. Without applying the Euler process, here we are using the DI method. First function, directly function we will write, and second function, integral value we will write. So for first function we will write the derivative, and for second function we will write the integral value. Here we have one more problem, y dx plus x minus y square dy equal to 0. In this term we are having two y terms. So for this we will write y dx equal to, if this term goes to right side, the terms will be interchanged, y square minus x dy. So if you want to find dy by dx, then it will be like this form. In denominator, we can't separate the x and y terms, so we have to reverse the terms. That means LDA second formation should be applicable for this one. Right? Which gives you y square by y will be y minus x by y. So dx by dy plus x by y equal to 1. So here p of y will be 1 by y and q of y will be this term 1. So now we'll find the second step. Now we'll find the second step, integrating factor, which is integral p dy. E power integral p nothing but here 1 by y. Again we know integral 1 by y will be log y, which gives you 1. So the third one, which is the general solution, xif equal to integral qif dy. So this one x into if nothing but y, integral q nothing but again y, if y 0. So which is y square. We know the y square integral will be y cube by 3 plus now we are having another problem, 1 plus y square dx equal to tan inverse y minus x. So here y terms are more terms, so we can write the LDA second formation, or in the previous problems which we have discussed like that also you can verify that once. Tan inverse y minus x by 1 plus y square. The denominator will be separated as tan inverse y by 1 plus y square minus x by 1 plus y square. So this can be written as dx by dy plus x by 1 plus y square equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So now this 1 by 1 plus y square will be p of y. This will be q of 1. So integrating factor will be e power integral 1 plus y square dy. Now integrating factor will be e power integral p dy, which gives you e power integral 1 by 1 plus y square dy. Again e power tan inverse y. So this one we have done in the form of dy by dx also. Same process, but it is in terms of y terms. xif equal to integral qif dy. So x into here if nothing but e power tan inverse y. Integral q nothing but tan inverse y by 1 plus y square e power tan inverse y dy. So here this tan inverse y, it is e power tan inverse y and 1 by 1 plus y square. So put we can take tan inverse y as t. So for tan inverse y, 1 by 1 plus y square dy equal to dt. Now the given question becomes x e power tan inverse y equal to integral. This tan inverse y will be t. E power tan inverse y will become e power t. This 1 by 1 plus y square dy will gives you dt. So this already I have explained this in the form di method. T derivative will be 1, e power t integral will be e power t, again the integral will be e power plus minus. For that one we can write t e power t minus e power t plus, resubstitute the value, tan inverse y equal to t tan inverse y minus 1 into e power tan inverse plus. Like this we will solve LDE first type of process and LDE of second formation, that is dy by dx and also dx by dy problems. We will solve by using these two videos. I hope you all understand the process. If you like this video, please give a like. Your likes will be boost for us, so that it will be inspired to make more videos to you. and share to all your surroundings, friends and everyone. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Math Makes World. Until then, keep watching our channel Math Makes World. Goodbye.